April 29th. I don't know why this is called a semicolon. If a colon looks like this, then a semicolon is half of that, or... right? April 30th. Ugh, I got a haircut earlier today, and now my neck's all itchy from the little hairs that fell down my shirt. When the haircut was done, the barber did that thing where he held up a mirror behind me to show me what the back of my head looks like. I'm not sure why barbers do that. I don't care what the back of my head looks like. I'm not ever going to have to look at it. Still, I guess it's nice of them to show you that they didn't, shave a swear word into the back of your head or something while you weren't paying attention. May 1st. If you think about it, a box full of alphabets is just a bowl full of swear words, waiting to happen. May 2nd. So I really like this girl in my homeroom, Chelsea Hamilton. She's the editor of the school newspaper and really cool. And she looks sort of like Emma Stone, if Emma Stone were in the 8th grade. And I've been trying to talk to her, but she doesn't even notice me. Literally doesn't notice me. This morning I said hi to her, and she said, "Oh, hi! Are you new? Did you just transfer to this school?" And I said, "No, we've gone to school together for the past 7 years." And she said, "Very funny. I think I'd remember that. So where did you transfer from?" And I said, "Ohio." It just seemed less embarrassing for both of us. May 3rd. This morning in homeroom, the captain of our wrestling team, Scott Scanlon, showed up with glasses. He said he got them over the weekend. My parents think I've never done so good in school because I can't see the blackboard. So they sent me to an optimist to get my eyes checked. And now I can see more goodly. I think that sentence may help to explain why I think Scott's eyesight isn't the reason he does poorly in school. May 6th. Today in the lunchroom, I overheard Chelsea talking to her friends about Scott and how much she liked his new glasses because they make him look so smart and cute. Which gave me an idea. If they can make Scott look smart, I bet glasses would make me look like a genius. Now I just need to figure out how to get myself some glasses. Ugh, I wish my eyesight were worse. Scott's so lucky to have crappy eyes. May 7th. So last night, I started trying to make my parents get me glasses. I told them I thought my eyesight was bad, and my mom said, "Well, what are you having trouble seeing?" And I said, "Everything." And my dad said, "It can't be everything. Are you nearsighted or farsighted? Are you having trouble seeing stuff that's close to you, like your textbooks, or far away, like the TV?" And I said, which is the one where I can watch TV, but can't read my school books?" And he said, "That's farsighted." And I said, "That's what I am." My parents looked a little suspicious, but they made me an appointment with the eye doctor anyway. May 8th. Went to the eye doctor today. He made me read the eye chart, and I was going pretty fast through it before I remembered that if I wanted glasses, I had to pretend not to be able to read some of it. So I just stopped reading and said, "I can't see any of the rest of it." And he said, "Wait, you can't read anything else?" And I said, "Nope." And he said, You were halfway through one of the lines. How could you read the first 3 letters but not the next 4? And I said, lucky guess? Anyway, he started trying different lenses for each of my eyes, and each time he'd say better, worse, same. And I was answering at random until he said, "A minute ago you said that lens was better, and now you say it's worse." Which seemed uncool of him to pull a trick question like that. But from then on out, I said every single lens was better than the one before it, until he finally said, "Well, these are the strongest lenses we have." And I said, "Awesome." I bet Chelsea Hamilton will be really impressed when I tell her my prescription's way stronger than Scott's.